Forward Guyana Movement FGM's case against the Guyana Elections Commission, GECOM, continued into its second day of arguments. Submissions were made by FGM's attorney, Dr. Vivian Williams. In his submissions, he pointed out what he deemed as a flagrant disregard for the rule of law and in contravention to the Constitution.
The Attorney General and GECOM, in their presentation to the court, tried to describe the issue as to the right of a political party to contest the election, which is just one prong and a minor prong of the case. The case really is about citizens' participation in the democratic process. The case is brought by an individual that is contending that the right to vote has been sort of diluted.
Attorney General and Nandela, disappointed with the arguments made by Dr. Williams, made several objections because, in his view, the court was being led down the wrong path.
Because you had international observers in the court, you had the media in the court, and there was a distinct impression by people believe that our system is somehow flawed and somehow denies registered electors the right to vote. And I feel that that's completely wrong. So I detailed how our electoral system evolved from first past votes before independence, then proportional representation.
Nandela contends that FGM's arguments lack basis since Dr. Williams found it difficult to point out one area in the Representation of the People's Act to substantiate his claims.
And in all the cases, the CCJ, as well as our Chief Justice George here, interrogated in great detail the many aspects of our electoral system to address the issues raised by various persons who filed the cases. And they filed to make similar challenges. One person says that the system, by permitting only lists to qualify, denied persons from participating. Another one says that by putting limitations on the number of geographic constituencies, one must have to contest before one qualifies. To contest the election, it takes away their right to constitutionally participate in the electoral process of the country. Another one argued that the right to vote for someone who is not running and not qualified to run takes away his or her right to vote. So all these questions were put before courts before and answered. All those cases were dismissed. And the system as it now exists was upheld by these various court decisions.
Acting Chief Justice Navindra Singh adjourned the matter to Wednesday, in which Dr. Williams will respond to arguments presented by the Attorney General and GECOM's attorney. This is Marvin Cato reporting for HGP Nightly News.